Namaste and hello friends. I am nutritionist Supriya Khambe from Shashwati Ayurveda. I am back again with another video. Post Diwali weather is changing. It's very cold outside and I am loving this winter season. How about you? Are you enjoying the winter season? I am enjoying thoroughly with the ball of curd. Wow. I love curd, but especially by adding a spoonful of sugar. How about you? And who doesn't like curd? I'm sure everyone loves curd. And we Indians, we love having curd and delicacies made with curd like dahi chaat, dahi bhalla, dahi vada, raita. Raita is a part of everyday meal for all Indians, and kadhi. But when it comes to winters, everyone thinks, or most people think, that we should not have curd because curd might increase my cough, or I might have a runny nose, and it's not good in having cold weather. But let's understand from Ayurveda perspective the myths or pros and cons about curd from Ayurveda perspective. To begin with, let's understand the preparation of curd, or let's understand how to set a curd. The most common method in all the household used is to set a curd is by adding a spoonful of previous batch curd to lukewarm milk or a room temperature milk. Otherwise, any acidic substance like lemon juice or vinegar can be used to set a curd. This whole process of setting a curd is called curdling. The curdling process can usually takes different time based on the weather. Like it can take up to 6 hours to set curd in like hot weather, and up to 16 hours in cold weather or in winters. Curd is a fermented dairy product used since ages to gain nutrition values and health benefits. Now let's understand what is the best time to have curd. Lot of us think that summers, autumn or spring seasons are best to have curds, but no, you are wrong. Hemant Rutu, that is early winters, Shishir Rutu, late winters, and Varsha Rutu, that is rainy season. These three seasons are best to have curd. If you consume curd during these three seasons, you can get the most of the benefits from consuming curd. During winters, we avoid having curd, but in winters, our digestive fire is on peak and we can digest anything we have, and sour, sweet tastes are predominant, and curd is having this sour and sweet taste. So, and due to its hot potency, curd is having curd in winters is quite beneficial, and it's avoidable in summers. So friends, why don't you go and enjoy your bowl of curd. Now let's understand few facts about curd from Ayurvedic perspective. Avoid having curd post sunset as it increases kapha. Also, it is not advisable to have curd alone. Have it along with sugar, jaggery, honey, or green gram soup, or any amlaki powder. Avoid these combinations of curd, like curd with milk, curd with non-veg food, curd with melons like watermelon, muskmelon. It's totally avoidable. Curd with jamun, and curd with avoid having curd with after heating, because when you heat the curd, it loses its property and all the good bacteria which are good for digestion gets destroyed post heating. Remember to avoid curd if you have gastritis. Also, it is not advisable to have curd if you have inflammatory disorders like asthma or tuberculosis. If you are having curd on daily basis, it can cause skin disorder in long term. Though we have understood lot of benefits of having curd, but having curd in long term or on daily basis can alter your digestion. Hence, Ayurveda ascribes to gain maximum benefit from curd, one should have curd completely coagulated on right time, in right quantity, and with right food choice. That is how you can gain the most of the benefit from curd in this beautiful winter season. If you like this information, do like and subscribe our channel Shashwati Ayurveshwar. Don't forget to share this video, and please drop in your valuable comments or suggestions. And if you have any queries, please send us an email or drop in your comments. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.